There's a lot that I know naturally, 'cause I didn't let go of what they wanted me to rid myself of. The reason why women are so screwed up is because they think being a woman is such a problem. Well, men don't really have this luxury, do they? Well, because if you're a man and you complain, well, that's just gay. I hope that my complaints are at the very least artistic. Though I'm sure that everybody thinks that I'm autistic. And I'm getting really tired of people saying that they're autists. And they haven't made shit. I'd like to think that I make shit on a regular basis. It doesn't matter if it's not very good. At least I'm doing what I know I should. I remember back in the day not wanting to pursue anything because I was worried it wouldn't be good enough. And I would feel even worse than I already did before. And I really think that this is what prevents many people from making anything. This idea that it has to be perfect. This idea that it has to be so authentic that people can't forget. They can't forget. They can't forget. Well, I took a chance with this shit. Probably the best chance I ever took. And the part of me that don't trust pharmaceutical companies is the part of me that says I'ma do it my way. To hell with what they say. I guess it's all coming from the same place. Not really giving a fuck about saving face.